One more time.
Welcome to Mad Matt's Motor.
More exciting.
Welcome to Mad Matt's Motor.
What's in the trunk?
We got all the stuff in this.
What is that?
One of those.
It's a chainsaw. Oh, you better not drop our merchandise.
We got here one of these.
Oh, crimpers. So this is our new ride of the week. We're trying to do a tutorial on how to change a lawnmower tire. Q is going to change this tire so fast. Oh, dang. Bolt type wheel puller. It's so bent. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
Well, we didn't think that this was gonna happen. All right, we're gonna rock it out. Yep, that's how you turn a freaking 10-minute job into a 2-hour adventure.
What we need to do now next.
Okay, so what we got here is a rust problem. So the rust has seized these wheel rim onto this axle. Leaf cut it. So we're gonna cut this tire off. Yummy. Oh yeah. Gotta go get that later. We're gonna clearance into here and then cut the back of this rim to give it a relief cut. Cause we ain't playing around. This is so fun. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Give me some motivation. We're going to get this tire off of here or Q doesn't get a snack.
Oh, I want a snack too.
All right. Well, this grinding wheel, I might have to change it out. But the battery's actually being pretty impressive. I'm pretty happy. Just get this little puzzle out of here. Oh, we're just gonna cut this sleeve right off. Let's see. Where'd it go? Did it hit you?
No, it went behind them. Heard it cling over here.
Don't need that. Oh shit. Cool.
It was almost off, bro.
They're right there.
Where'd you?
Right.
You don't have a sledgehammer?
Yep, I do.
No, don't use that. Don't. Just get a hammer.
We don't have a hammer. What are you talking about? Cool. What can you do? Boom. So back to the tutorial of how to change a rear tire on a good old lawnmower. Hey Q, can you put it on this tire now? I think you probably should take off that bolt, but oh well.
Look at how easy it is.
Look how easy that is. It just slips right on there. Slips right on there. Look at that. Oh yeah. Did it break off in there?
Yep.
Did it?
No.
Oh God. You scared me. Here we go. Hopefully you didn't mess up the threads too bad. Oh yeah, it's going right in there. It's going right in
here,
there.
right there on the back. I got it.
Huh?
Right here.
Oh no. I'm not gonna get it.
This one
The
works.
threads are messed up. Is it going in?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
Trying to record and do it.
Alright.
Uh-oh.
Alrighty.
Going all crooked.
Good deal.
Oh shit.
Alright, stop.
I'm fucking it up.
You're messing it up?
I'm ruining it.
Oh. Okay. Alright. So, when it doesn't want to go in. Oh, wrong wrong size. I was like, oh no, what happened? Wrong size.
That work? Wow.
Wow. Almost there. We're gonna drive it home. Oh, I'm so scared. Maybe we'll turn it to auto. Oh, this is so bad. I think the tire will just be a little loose. Stop by in my head.
No, it's like...
No, you want to go?
Yeah, that's fine.
More. Oh, I'm so scared. Good enough for me. Good enough for government work. All right, are we done here? Yeah, let's go too. All right, we're gonna open up the valves for more bald eagles.
Volume.
Can we hear it?
No.